So first we'll open Visual Studio Code, then we have to create a new file right here. Click here, then name the file. So hello.py, you have to write .py. Okay, then I'll explain you about the print function. Okay, so the print function basically prints something onto the console. So this is the console, or it is also called as a terminal. So to print something you have to write the print keyword. Okay, then you have to type in the brackets here, and then write and then type in the double quotes. In between them you have to write any number, any sentence, any word. Now I'll write hello world. Okay, you can write anything. Then if you want this to be printed on this terminal right here, you have to click this run button, this triangle. Then you can see here you have successfully written your first code, hello world.